folks aware that this woman had already been
I had never been
convicted
heard. I have never heard of her.
homicides?
Yeah, no,
and
I've
the
never heard
jurors
of her
did not
before.
know that.
No, I did not.
So-called doomsday mom Lori Vallow Daybell is asking for a retrial, and she's claiming that juror, who you just heard from after the verdict, knew about her previous convictions for killing her 2 children.
That jury found her guilty just about 2 weeks ago of conspiring to kill her 4th husband in Chandler. Zach Proletsky's here in the studio tonight, so many people watch this nationwide, Zach, wondering if she really does have the grounds for a redo.
Yeah, well, this motion really just the first step in a long process, but it does open the door for that possibility. And the jury was not supposed to know anything about those previous convictions. Lori Vallow Daybell claiming at least one of those jurors did know, though, before that verdict was reached. And because of that, along with some other arguments about how the trial unfolded over a 2+ week span, Lori Vallow Daybell is now arguing a new trial in this case is needed. In a motion filed late last week, Vallow Daybell claims that juror number 15 knew she had 3 previous murder convictions in Idaho. We spoke with juror 15 the afternoon the verdict was read. He said he had never heard of Lori Vallow Daybell before the trial. But in a different TV interview later that afternoon, again just hours after that verdict was read, that juror was once again asked his reaction to those previous convictions and said, quote, "You know, I feel sorry for her. Driving home yesterday, I was like, God, she's spending the next 3 lives in prison in a cell." The key word in that sentence, yesterday. Criminal defense attorney Josh Kolsrud followed the trial and read this motion. He says this is where things could go now.
In fact, the judge is going to have to order an evidentiary hearing with juror number 15 to determine exactly when this juror found out about the prior felony conviction and what effect it had on that juror's deliberations. And then finally, whether or not this juror told any of the other jurors during the deliberations.
Now, there were some other arguments made in this motion from Vallow Daybell, including not allowing statements from Tylee Ryan or Alex Cox to be admitted into evidence, alleged discovery violations, and some more allegations of misconduct from both the judge and prosecutor as reasons why a new trial is needed. But Kolsrud says it's that possible juror misconduct that could have the greatest chance to land Vallow Daybell a new trial in this case. Now, there's been no indication at this point when or even if the judge will call for that evidentiary hearing. We'll be sure to bring you any updates to that as we learn. For now, reporting in studio, Zach Proletsky for Arizona's Family.
Zach, thank you. State Attorney General Chris Mays says a new scam called equity stripping has cost